if you've taken all our lessons in this series, then you should be armed with 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 Twi idioms, right? And if you took those lessons seriously, then you should know not just the literal and figurative meanings of the idioms that we've covered so far, but also be able to use them when speaking Twi. And if you are here and you missed all or any of our past episodes, I'll leave links to them further below, so please check them out. But if you've taken all our episodes and you are solid on all the idioms that we've covered, congratulations and welcome to the second month and episode 5 of the LEARNAKAN idiom series. And today we are adding 5 Twi idioms. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, you should have 33 Twi idioms in your arsenal. Coming right up. Abba. So let's just go ahead and start with our first idiom. And we have Nanny ebwe. Nanny ebwe. Nanny ebwe. Nanny ebwe. Okay, although in normal speech the verb bwe is mostly pronounced as bie. Okay, bie. So we will have Nanny ebie. Okay, Nanny ebie. You hear this often. So Nanny ebie. Nanny ebie. Nanny ebie. Okay, Nanny ebie. So again we have our apostrophe, the N apostrophe, which stands for his or her as a possessive adjective. And then we have any. Any. Do you remember what any is? Yeah, so any is the eye or the eyes. Okay, and then we have bue or be, which is to open. Okay, so the verb to open. So when you have the a beginning bue or be, it means is or are open. Okay, so it's already happened, a bue or a be. Okay, so in all we have Nanny ebue or Nanny ebie, literally meaning his or her eyes are open. Okay, his or her eyes are open, but figuratively this means that he or she is civilized. He or she knows what's up. Okay, he or she is in tune with the times. Yeah, so if you have someone like that, you say Nanny ebue, Nanny ebue or Nanny ebie, Nanny ebie pa. Okay, Nanny ebie pa. Okay, let's look at some usage examples, and for the first one we have many ebie. Many ebie. Many ebie. Okay, many ebie. And for the second example we have weni ebie. Weni ebie. Weni ebie. Okay, weni ebie. And for the last example we have Kofi eni mie kra. Kofi eni mie kra. Kofi eni mie kra. So we negated the verb be. Okay, so we have Kofi's eyes are not open at all. All right, literally. Kofi eni mie kra. Okay, let's move to the next idiom, and we have yi, no, a, son, tire. 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 Okay, so we have yi, and yi means to remove. Okay, yi, to remove. And then we have the object pronoun no, him or her. Okay, him or her, no. And then we have ason, and ason is the ear or the ears. Okay, ason, the ear or the ears. And then we have tire, tire, and you know tire is the head, right? Tire is the head, but we use tire for other heads as well. Okay, so apart from the body part head, we also use tire for other heads. Okay, so for example, insatire, okay, insatire is the head of a drink. Okay, so an alcohol, the head of it, the cork of it, so the covering of the bottle, we call it insatire. Okay, insatire, the head of a drink. And we can also have chansitire, 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 and chancing is the eating bowl. Okay, so a bowl that you eat from. So the covering of the eating bowl, chansitire. Okay, the head of the eating bowl. So tire can be applied to, you know, any other head apart from the body parts. Okay, so a head, a covering, a plug. Okay, that's tire. So literally, yi, no, a, son, tire will mean remove his or her ear covering. Okay, remove his or her ear covering, or remove his or her ear plug. Okay, to remove his or her ear plug, or to remove his or her ear covering. But this is just the literal meaning. Figuratively, yi, no, a, son, tire means to break news to him or her. Okay, to break news to him or her, or to inform him or her of something. Okay, so to break news to him or her, to inform him or her of something happening. Okay, to the usage examples, and we have mi, yi, no, a, son, tire. 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 Okay, mi, yi, no, a, son, tire. And for the second example, we have oyi, me, a, son, tire. Oyi, me, a, son, tire. Oyi, me, a, son, tire. Okay, oyi, me, a, son, tire. And then for the last example, we have yeyi ohene no, a, son, tire. 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 Okay, let's move to the third idiom, and we have Abba, woma. Abba, woma. Abba, woma. Okay, Abba, woma. Abba, woma. And this can also be said as Abba, wom. Abba, wom. Abba, wom. Okay, so we have Abba, and Abba is a seed. Okay, seed, Abba. All right, and then we have wo, and wo is your to be verb to exist. Okay, the to be verb to exist within a space. Okay, wo. And then we have mu, in or inside. Okay, so Abba, womu literally means there is seed inside. Okay, there is seed inside, or there is seed in it. Okay, there is seed in it. So whatever it is that we are talking about has seed in it. Okay, and this is your literal meaning, but figuratively this means that there is sense in it. So it's not seed as in the literal meaning, it's sense. So it's like whatever you're saying makes sense. Okay, so if someone is saying something and you think it makes sense, you can say Abba woma. Okay, Abba woma, there is seed in it. It makes sense. It holds water. Okay, Abba woma. Abba woma. Okay, to the usage examples, and we have Abba wo nia waka numu. 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 To the second example, and we have Abba wo wafutuo numu. Abba wo wafutuo numu. Abba wo wafutuo numu. Okay, Abba wo wafutuo numu. And to the last example, and this is a question. Abba womu. Abba womu. Abba womu. Okay, Abba womu. Abba womu. Okay, Abba womu. All right, to our next idiom, and we have Nano apa. Nano apa. Nano apa. Nano apa. Okay, so again we have our apostrophe, his or her, the possessive adjective, and then we have ano, the mouth. Okay, ano is the mouth. So nano, his or her mouth. Okay, and then we have pa. 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 And pa means to slip. Okay, pa, to slip. So when we say apa, it means it has slipped. Okay, has slipped. Apa. So nano apa literally means his or her mouth has slipped. Okay, his or her mouth has slipped, the literal meaning. But figuratively, nano apa means he or she has said what should not be said. Okay, so his or her mouth slipped and he or she ended up saying what should not have been said. Okay, so nano apa, he or she has said the unsaid. So to the usage examples, and we have Akusua ano apa. Akusua ano apa. Akusua ano apa. Okay, Akusua ano apa. And then for the second example, we have Mano apa. Mano apa. Mano apa. Mano apa. Okay, and then for the last example, we have Wano apa. Wano apa. Wano apa. Wano apa. Okay, all right, let's go to the last idiom for today, and that is gu nsuo. Gu nsuo. Gu nsuo. Gu nsuo. So we have gu, and gu means to pour. Okay, gu, to pour. And then we have nsuo, and you know nsuo, right? So nsuo is water, right? So gu nsuo means to pour water. literally. Okay, gunsuo, to pour water. But figuratively, this means to pee. Yeah, to pee, to pour water, to pee, to urinate. Okay, so gunsuo, to pee or to urinate. Okay, some usage examples, and we have me gunsuo, and obviously that is not true. Me gunsuo, me gunsuo, me gunsuo. And for the second example, we have me kogu nsuo, me kogu nsuo. Again, that is not true. Me kogu nsuo, me kogu nsuo. And for the last example, we have maame no se obegu nsuo. 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 Okay? Maame no se obegu nsuo. Alright, so this ends it for episode 5 of the Learn Akan Idiom series. I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.